It's my pleasure to have Ms. Shireen al-Bەرزنجی, part of the core team of the digital school in our educational panel of the third Kurdistan Education Fair on digital learning and AI. Welcome, Ms. Shireen.
Thank you very much.
Ms. Shireen, I will start with with first question. What do you think is the most important impact of digital learning and AI on education in Kurdistan?
I just want to start off by saying the fact that you have a Kurdistan Education Forum specifically looking at AI is progressive enough. I think it shows that there is a lot of commitment within the area of AI. I've spoken to a lot of educators this evening, and most of which are very open to doing something different to the traditional method.
Or let's say adapt.
Or
to
adapting,
AI.
exactly,
Yeah.
adapting to the changes that are happening. Because the teachers, as I mentioned during the panel, are the heart of what a classroom is about. But at the same time, it's very important that they incorporate AI, because that is the way that we're leading towards in the future.
So AI now it's must, because
Exactly.
if you cannot do anything in the future or early future, let's say, students will know more than the teachers.
Exactly, and it's an assistant. It is it's not. It can be used as a tool. It is not something that is going to replace a teacher. It is about being smart and understanding how it can be used, why it should be used, and exploring the ways that you can incorporate this within a classroom, because it's experimental. You're never going to know what works until you try it. So I think it's going to take some time for us to adapt, and then once we have a vision of what that looks like, you can incorporate it within a school level, a regional level, a national level, but I think we need to have a starting point.
Before diving and asking you the second question, based on my information, I think you are running a kind of the digital schools, and you are your organization or trying to educate our teachers. Can you explain shortly?
Sure, absolutely. So I work at the digital school. The digital school is part of one of the global initiatives that is led by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, leader, ruler of Dubai. And one of the important things to highlight is we have a DEGA training platform. DEGA is Digital Educator Training Academy.
Free for all
It is,
teachers.
yes, it is free for teachers. It is available in Sorani Kurdish, in English, in Arabic. And the idea is we want to open this up to as many educators here in Kurdistan as possible. It is accredited by Arizona State University, so upon completion, they are able to get that certificate. And it's an opportunity for the teachers to upskill and use this as a professional training development, and to see ways that they can improve their training and education. Yes.
Yeah, the interesting part, it's available with multi-languages, as
Yes.
you mentioned it. Yeah. I'm going to ask you my last question, as if our time is short. What message would you like to give to teachers and also students about using this new technology, I mean AI?
I'm going to give you a very interesting answer, because I feel like they will contradict each other. The first would be to not fear AI, to be experimental. But at the same time, I would say do not depend on AI. There are a lot of ethical considerations to take into consideration, one of which is, I speak to my adult friends and they've named their ChatGPT with a name.
Yeah.
And for me, that's very interesting, because in a way, there's a sense of dependency. They are dependent on the AI tool. And if we can wake up tomorrow and that doesn't exist, life is going to look very different. So it's important to experiment. It's important to use it as a tool, but at the same time, do not depend on it too much, because we still need to have the skills within us so that we can use the time efficiently and to apply it within our contexts.
You are totally right. And actually, I have prepared these two questions by ChatGPT.
By chance, but it seems to have worked.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you for being with us and sharing your insight and valuable thoughts. Thank you for your time again. And I hope you will see each other in different events.
Inshallah.
Thank you, Ms.
Zor
Shireen.
spas. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very much.